Two Cooks in the Kitchen. Today we are going to make Garam Masala. This is a spice that's used a lot in Indian cooking, and everybody has their own recipe. This is something that's personal for each household. It would be a little different, and this is the way I make mine. I have 4 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, a tablespoon of black pepper, 5 cardamom pods, 4 black cardamom pods, 1.5 teaspoons of black cumin, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of cloves, 1 stick of cinnamon, and 2 bay leaves. This also will have 1.5 teaspoons of dried ginger, but we're going to add that later. So at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to take these spices into a dry pan on kind of medium-low heat and slowly roast these and get them to cook. We don't want to do it too fast because we don't want just the outside to cook. We want the whole spice to cook. So this was going to cook for 20 to 30 minutes in a medium-low pan. And then we'll take the cardamom out of the pods and we'll put everything into a spice blender. So I'm going to get this going on the stove and we'll come back when they're all nice and toasted. All right, so this is done cooking. It's very fragrant in here right now. So we're going to let this cool for a little while and then take the seeds out of the cardamom pods, and we'll come back when it's a little cooler. So I'm just about got all the cardamom seeds out. This is the last of the black cardamom, and they stick in there a little, but this is the last one of the regular cardamom. And then we're going to add our 1.5 teaspoons of dried ginger. And then put this in the spice grinder. So we have 2 of these. We use 1 for coffee. We never put anything else in that. We use this one for spices, and we never put coffee in. Just works out better for everyone that way.
You want some spicy coffee?
And this is all gonna fit in there. So what takes the longest about this operation is the cinnamon sticks. Sometimes you have to take them out and do them by themselves and put them back in. But this is the last step, and then we've got our garam masala. It's looking pretty good. I don't see any big chunks of cinnamon left, so I think we're there. We have our, it smells delicious. We have our garam masala container, which I just emptied earlier, putting the last of it in a batch of granola. And there you have it. Thanks for watching Two Cooks in the Kitchen, and we'll see you next time.